Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G50. In this video I'll show you how to edit camera modes. In the beginning, enter camera, tap 3 horizontal lines to go to modes, and now tap on selected mode and hold on it. Drag it to this area to add it to your home bar. To delete mode, just select it, tap on it and select remove. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.